Oh yeah.
Look, geez, that would be hot.
Today the exhaust is getting welded up on the V8 Volvo.
There's not a video of the V8 Volvo.
Yeah, we have.
The radiator.
Yeah, and I think we had engine destruction.
Oh yeah.
But,
motor mounts.
Yeah.
Radiator. Oh, that one was never posted.
No, that's posted.
Yeah, it's posted. But yeah, if anyone else is following the V8 or lm7 V8 240 Volvo wagon, there's the exhaust getting welded, and carry on over here past the Alfa Romeo suspension and engine, and yeah, it's in. So Ford Mustang intake tube seemed to fit perfect. FD radiator, and I think that's about it for other car parts that are amalgamated to make this engine work. But yeah, custom made air box using a garbage can and a big ass filter. Headers are in, and I'm not sure if they're welded on, but getting ready to fire. Mega Squirt's getting wired, and yeah, transmission's in. And there, yeah, it's the 4-speed. There's the hole for the shifter. Pretty cool. So yeah, if you want any more information, comment down below.